Hello web developers. Today we are going to take a look at DOM breakpoints, which is the feature of Chrome Developer Tools, and that serves for stopping the execution of JavaScript code when it attempts to modify our DOM. So let's say we'll take this element and we want to stop the execution of JavaScript when the content is modified. So we can right click on the element here in the elements tree, select break on and subtree modifications. Alright, so now we expect that when this content of the element is modified, the execution of the code will stop. So let's do it. Yes, we can see that the code execution of JavaScript was stopped, and it is stopped on the line that modified the element. So here we can see that meeting 13 is going to be added or has been added to the element. We can continue from it. We can step by step, so we can standardly debug from this point further. Here in Elements, we have DOM breakpoints tab, where we see all breakpoints what we have set up, and we can manipulate them. We can enable or disable them. We can remove them one by one, or we can remove all DOM breakpoints. Another option would be to go to the element, this one, and to break on attribute modifications. So when I select attribute modification, and when I do something with the element, now in this case hover is enough, the JavaScript code added a class to the element. Again, we can remove DOM breakpoints and we can continue the code execution. There is another option, which is on node removal, and then I leave to you. Thank you very much for your attention.